Hello, this is HPEDM Zeroline clipping support. Compatible systems are C666050. It was made of high quality stainless steel and can be used underwater. How to use it? First, this product can clip in Wire EDM machine directly by the slot hole. Use this screw. Use this screw to fix on Wire EDM machine locking table. Use here directly. And also this product can be installed through a HP holder or supervised by here. I will show you. This wise here, put it, and use the four screw to fix here from the bottom. This is lock pin to put it, and use the screw fixing it on the bottom. And the clipping workpiece here. Yeah, it's okay. And this side also clipping workpiece here. Use the screw to fix on it. This product length is 180 millimeters, width is 84 millimeters. The price is very good. Warranty is 1 year. Welcome to inquire www.cncedmtour.com. Thank you.